Do you wake up tired, rely on coffee just to get through the day, and still feel exhausted no matter how much you sleep? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Constant fatigue isn't always just being busy. Sometimes it's your body's way of telling you that something needs attention. Welcome back to the Bony Nurse, where we make health simple, practical, and easy to understand. Let's start with one of the most common causes, iron deficiency. Women lose iron every month through menstruation, and heavy periods can make iron levels drop even further. When your body doesn't have enough iron, it can't produce enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen around your body. The result? Fatigue, weakness, dizziness, headaches, and shortness of breath. Another common cause is poor sleep, even if you're in bed for 8 hours. Conditions like sleep apnoea, frequent waking, stress, or caring for young children can leave you feeling exhausted. Your thyroid gland also plays a big role. An underactive thyroid slows your body's metabolism, which can cause tiredness, weight gain, dry skin, constipation, and feeling unusually Hormonal changes are another important factor. During pregnancy, after childbirth, perimenopause, and menopause, changing hormone levels can affect sleep, energy, and mental health matters too. Stress, anxiety, and depression don't just affect how you feel emotionally. These can also leave you physically drained, making even simple daily tasks feel overwhelming. Finally, don't overlook lifestyle factors. Skipping meals, eating a diet low in nutrients, dehydration, and not getting regular physical activity can all contribute to low energy levels. If you've been feeling tired for weeks and can't explain why, don't ignore it. Speak with your GP. They may recommend blood tests to check for iron deficiency, vitamin B2 deficiency, thyroid problems, diabetes, or other medical condition. At home, focus on eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, getting regular exercise, maintaining a consistent sleep routine, and making time to manage stress. Remember, feeling tired all the time isn't something you should simply accept. Your body is speaking to you. Listen to it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the Bony Nurse, and comment below what health topic would you like me to explain next. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and take care of yourself.